Want your home to look polished and put together without trying too hard? These Amazon home decor finds bring that elevated, expensive feel through simple details and smart design choices. From statement pieces to subtle accents that completely change the mood, every pick adds instant style. All products you see are linked in the description, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Transform your outdoor space into a serene retreat. This tall tiered fountain lets water cascade gently over realistic rock tiers, creating a calming, peaceful sound. Color-changing LED lights set the mood, and the included remote makes it easy to control. Built from weather-resistant materials, it withstands the elements while looking natural and elegant. Perfect for patios, gardens, or porches, it adds tranquility and style wherever you place it. Turn your favorite candle into a luxurious experience. This crystal candle warmer lamp melts wax evenly with no flame, filling your room with fragrance safely. 4 adjustable brightness levels and a built-in timer let you control scent intensity and duration. The handcrafted crystal shade casts a warm, sparkling glow, adding elegance to any space. Perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or gifting, it's both a beautiful lamp and a functional aromatherapy companion. Bring life to your walls with these modern round wall planters. Made from durable iron and glass, they're perfect for succulents, herbs, or faux plants. 3 different sizes let you create a stylish, layered display anywhere. Rust-resistant and easy to hang, they brighten balconies, patios, or indoor spaces effortlessly. Simple, chic, and functional, they turn any wall into a green, eye-catching focal point. So if you want to add greenery without the hassle, scan the QR on screen. Make your wall a conversation piece with this stunning 3D Ginkgo leaf clock. Its quiet mechanism keeps perfect time without any ticking to disturb your focus or sleep. The large, retro-inspired design adds an elegant Art Deco touch to living rooms, kitchens, or bedrooms. Lightweight and easy to hang, it instantly elevates your space. Handmade iron details give it character, making it both functional and a beautiful decorative statement. Set the mood with a cozy glow and soothing scent. This flame diffuser mimics a real fire while filling your room with your favorite essential oils. 2 misting modes and 4 timers let you customize how long and how strong the aroma lasts. Quiet operation keeps your space peaceful, while automatic shutoff protects the device when water runs out. Perfect for bedrooms, offices, or any spot that needs a touch of warmth and relaxation. So, if you want cozy vibes and calming scents, scan the QR on screen. Cozy up in style with this plush Sherpa barrel chair. Soft, padded armrests and a thick foam seat make it perfect for reading, watching TV, or just relaxing. The matching storage ottoman hides blankets, books, or pillows while keeping your space tidy. Solid wood construction supports up to 300 pounds, so it's stable and durable. Sleek, modern, and ready to use right out of the box. It's comfort and practicality in one chic package. Bring greenery anywhere without lifting a finger. These 3.5-foot spiral topiary trees stay lush and vibrant all year, indoors or on your porch. Each comes in a sturdy pot that keeps it steady, unlike flimsy alternatives. Decorate them for holidays, weddings, or parties, or leave them simple for everyday charm. No watering, no maintenance. Just place them and enjoy a perfect touch of nature anytime. Make your walls work harder and look better. This modern coat rack hides 5 hooks in plain sight until you flip them down to hang coats, hats, or bags. Strong yet sleek, Each hook holds your essentials without cluttering your space. Easy to mount. It fits perfectly in entryways, bedrooms, or offices. Stylish and functional, it turns everyday organization into a clever design statement. So if you want smart style for your walls, scan the QR on screen. Upgrade your space with a touch of modern elegance. These mirror smoke gray glass pendant lights change their look depending on the light, giving your room a dynamic, stylish vibe. Adjustable cords let you set the perfect height over a kitchen island, dining table, or desk. The matte black metal accents add a sleek, contemporary finish, while the glass shades maximize your bulb's glow. Easy to install and versatile, they bring instant sophistication to any room. Add a touch of thoughtfulness to any shelf or desk. This set of 3 gold thinker statues shows different poses, making each one feel like it's pondering life's mysteries. Made from smooth resin, they're lightweight, easy to clean, and comfortable to touch. Perfect for your living room, office, or bedroom. They inspire focus, whether you're working, reading, or meditating. Display them together or separately for a modern, elegant accent that sparks conversation. So if you want a little inspiration on display, scan the QR on screen. Turn your music into a hypnotic show. This ferrofluid Bluetooth speaker makes magnetic fluid dance to every beat, forming mesmerizing patterns in real time. Enjoy full 360-degree stereo sound with deep bass, all streamed seamlessly over Bluetooth 5.0. Touch controls and colorful LED lights let you set the mood while it sits on your desk as a stress-relieving display. Portable, sleek, and futuristic, it's a perfect gift for anyone who loves tech that wows. Turn any corner into a statement with this elegant white and gold ginger jar. Handmade from ceramic, it's smooth, glossy, and feels like a tiny work of art in your hands. The removable lid lets you use it as a vase for flowers or as stylish storage. Lightweight but sturdy, it sits securely thanks to a non-slip base. Perfect for your living room, entryway, or as a stunning centerpiece that instantly elevates your space. Give your plants a stylish home that lasts. This large round planter is made from a mix of durable plastic and crushed stone, giving it strength without the heavy weight of ordinary pots. A built-in drainage hole keeps water from drowning your plants, helping roots stay healthy. Weather-resistant and fade-proof, it works perfectly indoors or out on patios, porches, or windowsills. Its clean, modern design blends with any decor, letting your greenery shine. Bring a garden indoors without the hassle. This smart herb kit lets you grow fresh basil, cilantro, and even chili peppers right on your windowsill. The energy-efficient LED lights keep your plants thriving, rain or shine. Just pop in the included pods, fill the water reservoir, and watch your herbs grow. No green thumb needed. Once they're ready, you can transplant them anywhere and enjoy your very own indoor garden. Say goodbye to clutter with a touch of cozy style. This round storage ottoman hides blankets, books, toys, and more inside its roomy interior. The soft Sherpa top feels like a cloud, perfect for resting your feet or sitting comfortably. Strong wood construction supports up to 350 pounds, while non-slip feet protect your floors. Flip the lid and use it as a small table or extra seat. Your space just got smarter and comfier. So if you want cozy organization in one piece, scan the QR on screen. Turn any space into a soothing oasis. This crystal USB humidifier adds a gentle mist while glowing with 7 colorful LED lights. You can choose continuous or intermittent spray, keeping the air perfectly hydrated for hours. USB powered, it fits anywhere on your desk, bedside, or nursery. Whisper quiet operation and auto shutoff make it safe and relaxing for you, kids, or babies. Time never looked this cool. This wood flip desk clock combines classic retro style with modern charm. The numbers flip automatically, so you always know the exact time at a glance. Big, clear digits make it easy to read from across the room. Battery-powered and cordless, it's perfect for your desk, bedside, or any stylish corner in your home or office. So if you want your time to make a statement, scan the QR on screen. Bring the ocean right to your nightstand. This epoxy resin lamp creates a miniature underwater world with divers gliding through clear, glossy resin. Turn it on and watch the soft LED glow transform your room into a dreamy, mysterious seascape. USB powered and easy to place anywhere. It's perfect for desks, bedrooms, or cozy corners. Whether for everyday decor or holiday vibes, it's a piece that makes you stop and stare. Give your walls a touch of elegance with these retro gold sconces. The geometric metal design paired with soft fabric shades adds style and warmth to any room. With 4 bulbs delivering bright, cozy light, you can read, relax, or set the perfect mood effortlessly. Easy to install, they mount directly on your wall in minutes. Durable and safe, they turn bedrooms, hallways, or living spaces into inviting, artful corners. A little tree that completely changes the mood of your room. This cherry blossom light glows in tons of colors, letting you match your vibe in seconds. You control it with a remote, switching shades, or fun light effects whenever you want. Bend the branches to shape it your way and make it feel personal. Perfect for desks, nightstands, or cozy corners that need a pop of magic. So if you want instant room vibes, scan the QR on screen. Bring nature indoors without the daily guesswork. This fully automated terrarium creates the perfect environment for your plants all on its own. It controls humidity, airflow, and lighting so your plants stay healthy and balanced. You simply choose the plant type, and it adjusts everything to match their needs. With a clear, globe-style design, you get a beautiful 360-degree view of your own tiny living world. Desserts deserve a stage, not just a plate. This gold birdcage-style cupcake stand turns your treats into a centerpiece instantly. 2 elegant tiers let you display cupcakes, pastries, or sweets in a way that feels special and polished. The sturdy metal frame and glass base keep everything secure while looking light and airy. Perfect for parties, weddings, or even your dining table when you want to impress your guests. So if you want your desserts to shine, scan the QR on screen. That ugly electrical box on your wall doesn't have to ruin the room. This decorative wall painting cleverly hides your breaker panel while looking like real artwork. It swings open easily, so you still get quick access whenever you need it. The durable build protects against dust and moisture, keeping everything inside safer. You get a cleaner wall, a smarter space, and decor that actually does something for you. Light that feels more like art than a fixture. This modern crystal chandelier spreads a soft, elegant glow that instantly upgrades your space. You control everything with a remote or an app, adjusting brightness and color exactly how you want. Warm for relaxing nights, cool for focus, and dimmed low for calm vibes. It remembers your last setting, so every time you turn it on, it feels just right for you. So if you want effortless ambiance at your fingertips, scan the QR on screen. Foggy mirrors are officially outdated. This LED bathroom mirror lights you from the front and back, so you can see every detail while shaving, doing makeup, or getting ready. Switch between warm, neutral, or cool light, and smoothly dim it until it feels just right for you. The anti-fog feature keeps the glass crystal clear even after a hot shower, and touch controls remember your favorite settings. So if you want perfect lighting every time, scan the QR on screen. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.